Hi, I'm Francine Allaire, founder of The Daring Woman. Thank you for being here. I am here today with an important and daring offer. I would like you to consider joining the Daring Woman Success Circle. And here's why. Let me ask you, are you ready to embrace the daring woman in you and to catapult your life, your business or career, and your relationships to an entirely new level? To join other savvy, spirited women that are already turning their most daring dreams into a reality. Women from all over the world are already members of our Daring Success Circle. Join now, and here's what you'll get. You will get an audio library of success experts talking about all aspects of business and life. You will get access to special bonus gifts of valued of more than $1,500. And more importantly, you will be given a chance to promote yourself, your business, your product in more than 12 ways. This offer is only offered to you for a limited time. It will not be repeated. So don't dare give up on your dream. Dare to join us now. Dare to come with us, and let's dare to do it together.